Today I'm going to talk about Doxepin. When buying this product, you will notice that there are two names. Doxepin is a generic name while Neuropharm is the brand name. But what is this medicine for? Doxepin is used to treat depression and anxiety. Doxepin is in a class of medications called tricyclic antidepressants. It works by increasing the amount of certain natural substances in the brain that are needed for mental balance. The usual dose of Doxepin is 75 to 300 milligrams daily, administered at bedtime or in 3 divided dosages. Giving the correct dose would prevent the patient from falling into coma due to the overdosing. Tricyclic antidepressants should not be used with monoamine oxidase inhibiting drugs, for example, Doxepin or Carnate. Now let's practice. The doctor ordered 1,000 milliliters of Doxepin to be infused over 6 hours. The drop factor of the tubing is 10 drops per milliliter. How many drops per minute should be infused? Now we know that 1,000 milliliter is to be infused. Now we times that by the drop rate, which is 10 drops per milliliters, divided by the time, which in this case would be 360 minutes because of the conversion of 6 hours into minutes. After all the arithmetic, you should all get 27.77 milliliters per minute, or you could program it to 28 milliliters per minute. Let's have another one. You are to give 0.30 grams of Doxepin. The available dosage strength is a scored 100 milligram tablet. What amount will you give? First, you would have to convert grams to milligrams by multiplying by 1,000, and then we divide that by the dosage strength of the scored tablet. After you solve it, you should be able to get 3 tablets. Last practice for today. The doctor ordered 300 milliliters of Doxepin to be infused over 5 hours. The drop factor of the tubing is 60 drops per milliliters. How many drops per minute should be infused? We know that 300 milliliters is to be infused. Now we times that by the drop rate, which is 60 drops per milliliters, divided by the time. In this case, that would be 300 minutes because of the conversion of 5 hours into minutes. After all the solving, you should get an answer of 60 drops per minute.
Created using Powtoon.